Alright, so that is the second video of the topic is standard form. In the previous video, I discussed the basic of the topic is standard form. Now in this video, we are going to discuss two cases. The first case in which the question involves the addition or the subtraction. Alright, so let's take an example that 2.1 multiplied by 10 to the power 7 plus 0.32 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. Alright, so if you need to add these two numbers, you cannot do that because of the fact that these two powers, 10 powers, are not same. So the first step while doing the addition or subtraction of the standard form, these powers must be same. Alright, so in order to make the power same, what I will do, I will shift the decimal 2 on the left side. Alright, so when we shift the decimal, that will be equals to 0.21 multiplied by 10 to the power 7 was initial power. But when you shift your number, there will be 1 plus, as we had discussed in the previous video, right? And the next number 0.32 into the power 8, it will be same. Now it will be 0.21 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 plus 0.32 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. Since both sides the value of 10 power 8 is same, now you can add these two numbers. So simply you can say that 0.21 plus 0.32, when you add them, it will be equals to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 and 0.53. So you can say that it is equals to 0.53 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. This is not your final answer because the term 0.53 is not in a standard form. You need to shift your decimal after first non-zero, so that will be equals to 5.3 into 10 to the power 8, and when you shift the decimal to the right side, it will be minus 1 since you are jumping only one number. So the final answer, it will be 5.3 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. That's how you attempt the question involves addition and subtraction of a standard form. Now case number 2, when you need to multiply or divide the numbers in a standard form. Let's take an example first of multiplication. Let's suppose the number is 2.3 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Alright, so first thing, it is not mandatory that the powers of 10 must be same while you are doing the multiplication. Same power is a basic condition when you are addition or doing subtraction in a standard form. Now what you need to do? You need to multiply number 2.3 times 1.2. That will be equals to 2.76. So you can say that it's 2.76 multiplied. Now bases are same as we are discussed in indices. Bases are same, they are multiplying, so powers will be added. So that will be 2 plus 4 is 6. Now you can verify that your number is in a standard form as decimal is placed after the first non-zero. So 2.76 into 10 power 6, that is your final answer. Alright. Now let's take an example of division. Let's suppose I have a question 2.1 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 divided by 0.3 10 to the power 5. Alright. So first I need to observe the numbers. If instead of 2.1 it is 21 and instead of 0.3 it is 3. So I can say that 21 and 3 are divisible, right? So that the thing that I need to do it here, I need to make 2.1 21. So that means I need to shift decimal on right side, right? So now it will be 21 into 10 to the power 8 was initial power. Since I had moved one number, so it will be minus 1. Similarly, in the denominator, I will do the same. So that will be 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 minus 1. Now, you can divide those numbers. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So it will be 7 into 10 to the power, in the numerator the power is 7. And in the denominator 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, and when you shift 4 in the numerator it will be minus 4. The final answer is 7 multiplied by 10 to the power 3.